this is how you play Seben on bass. This bass line is in the key of G, and the progression is 1 5 4 5. So that is G, D, C, D, 1 5 4 5 1. So we'll first start by playing the 1 and using our left thumb. So we play this 1. So 1. So 1. 1 4 4 4 4 6 1 7 5 1 5 1 1 1 1 4 4 4 4 6 5 7. So I'll do it slowly. So I want you to watch my right hand as well and my left hand to see how I mute. So I'm doing this. So the next part you play the 3. So you play 1 3. So 3 3 3 3 3 4. So slide to the 4. 6 1 7. So 3 4 6 1 7, and then same thing. Let me use one finger. So and then you do this. So I'm playing 5 1 5 1 5 1 1 do do do. So the way you go back to the 1 can also be like this. So 2 1 2 1